This is a camera shutter, wireless remote control camera shutter. So if you want to do selfie or take video or take photo, now this is a photo. Okay, I take photo, you can see here. Okay, it's remotely controlled. I take photo. Okay, I press a button here. Okay, so if you want to take video, okay, now it's video here. So when I press this remote control button, okay, now it's recording. Okay, so if you want to stop it, you just press this button and stop. This camera shutter also can control the volume. Okay, so if I play this video, YouTube video, now I play this video, I want to control the volume. I press this stop button. Okay, I want to reduce the volume. I press down. Okay, you can see here the volume control is here. Okay, now I want to show you how to set up this camera shutter. There is a on-off switch here. You switch on, you can see the blue light is blinking. Now we go to this setting. So you can see the Bluetooth, press and hold. Okay, make sure your Bluetooth is on. Then you look for this more setting. Come to blue setting, you can see this is a AB shutter 3. This is the one is called AB shutter 3. Now I press this one. Okay, then you can tap the pair. It's pairing now. Okay, you can see it's connected. One is connected, then we can use this remote control. You see, this is volume control. Okay, so then if you want to use for the camera, okay, then you have to switch on this camera. Okay, then you can control here. Okay, see you, bye bye.